The Infinix GT30 Pro. A mid-range gaming champ? Get ready to dive into the world of mobile gaming with the Infinix GT30 Pro. This sleek device is here to challenge our perceptions of what a mid-range gaming phone can achieve. But here's where it gets controversial. Is it truly a capable gaming companion? Or just another pretty face in the smartphone market? Let's explore its design, performance, and features to uncover the truth. Design: a mature makeover. The Infinix GT30 Pro boasts a mature and polished design, a significant upgrade from its predecessor, the GT20 Pro. With its GT branding, this phone is clearly targeted at mobile gamers. The Blade White review unit we tested had a subtle white glow, giving it a sleek and refined look. However, for those who prefer a more flashy aesthetic, the dark flare model offers RGB lighting, adding a touch of gamer flair. The rear panel sports a cybernetic or cybermecha theme, which is purely cosmetic but adds a unique touch. The dual-tone finish with an off-white majority and a translucent corner gives the phone a layered and distinctive appearance. This design choice not only looks good, but also helps hide smudges and fingerprints, a practical feature for gamers. Gaming features, GT triggers, and more. One of the standout features of the GT30 Pro is its GT triggers. These capacitive shoulder triggers are sensitive and can be assigned various functions, from turning on Do Not Disturb mode to launching the camera app. Infinix has implemented a clever system to prevent accidental presses, activating the triggers only during gaming or camera use. However, finding the triggers can be a challenge, as they're buried within the plastic frame with no tactile indicators. The plastic frame also houses the power button and the raised camera module, which sports a 108-megapixel primary camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The display boasts skinny bezels and a hole-punch camera, resisting fingerprints and providing a distraction-free gaming experience with its flat design. Performance, as expected but with a twist. The Infinix GT30 Pro delivers the performance you'd expect from a gaming phone powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultimate. However, it falls slightly behind the Dimensity 8400 Ultra in terms of raw performance. We tested various games including Genshin Impact and Call of Duty Mobile and found that the phone performed admirably for a mid-range device. While it struggled to maintain 60 frames per second at high graphics settings, it delivered a smooth experience at medium settings. The built-in VC cooling system kept the phone from overheating, but we did feel some heat on the left side of the display. Stress tests showed minimal throttling, but extended gaming sessions revealed performance drops, possibly due to the absence of the optional cooling fan. The 6.78-inch, 144 Hz AMOLED display is bright and vibrant, but our tests revealed that the refresh rate never exceeded 120 Hz, calling into question the 144 Hz claim. The revamped XOS based on Android 15 offers good audio quality, but software support may be an issue with Android 16 already released. Battery and verdict. The 5,500 mAh battery provides sufficient power for a day of regular use and maxed-out gaming. It supports 45W wired charging and 30W wireless charging, making it compatible with various magnetic wireless charging accessories. So, is the Infinix GT30 Pro a capable gaming device? Absolutely. While its performance isn't top-tier, it offers a well-designed, accessible gaming experience at an affordable price. And this is the part most people miss. It's purpose-built for gaming, a rare find in the competitive Indian smartphone market. So, if you're a gamer on a budget, the GT30 Pro might just be your new best friend. What do you think? Is the Infinix GT30 Pro worth considering for your gaming needs? Let's discuss in the comments.